Good evening, everyone. Avante is here with Avante's tutorials. I request all of you to please keep on liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. I thank those who have already subscribed, liked, and shared my channel and supported. Your support means a lot. I welcome the new viewers. I request the previous viewers, those who have just liked my channel, I request you very humbly, please subscribe my channel. Views are more, subscribers are less, because your subscription means a lot. I request humbly for old viewers, please subscribe the channel, and for new viewers I request please like, share, subscribe with your elders, youngers, whosoever needs. Today I will be starting with algebraic expressions for class 7. Let us understand, or let us make ourselves understand, what do we mean by algebraic expressions. Algebraic, it means that it's a combination of constants and variables with some operations. So what are these constants? What are these variables? What are these operations? Let's see in detail one after the other. The name itself makes us understand variables. Variables means those are alphabets used in expressions or equations. After explaining these three terms, variables, constant, and operations, I'll be explaining the difference between expressions and equations. Variables, we use alphabets, as I said. Alphabets means from A to Z, and usually we denote using small letters. It's not mandatory, but usually and most probably we are comfortable using x and y as a variable and z. But you can go with any of them. This is one. Second is vary. V-A-R-Y. Vary means to change. Vary means to change. So, whose value keeps on changing, that means variable. Constant, whose value remains the same. These are all numbers. Constants means these are all numbers. And operations means your addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. These are operations. So, what are variables? Variables means alphabets we use in an expression or else an equation. That means variables. Vary, V-A-R-Y, vary means to change, whose value keeps on changing. For example, in first equation or expression, you calculated the value of x as 3, but in next you will get the value of x as 4. And that makes you understand, yes, it keeps on changing. So those are known as variables. Constants means whose value never changes. Suppose it's 2, it means it's 2 only. Never 2 will value as 4 or any other. Those are known as constants. Operations means mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiplication and division. It means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now coming to the difference between an expression and an equation. An expression is just a statement, or in our easy language, there is no equals to sign. An expression is just a statement, there is no equals to sign. And in equation we do combine two expressions. Means equals to sign is there, and that equals to sign divides the two expressions into two. That is, one is left hand side and one is right hand side. How? I'll show you. Before writing, again I request each and every one of you, especially the old viewers, do subscribe my channel. It's a humble request. And for new viewers, please do subscribe my channel. So expression, as I said, it's a statement. No equality, no equals to sign is there. So it can be ax plus b or 4x plus 3 plus y. It can be. But what's an equation? Equation is a combination of two expressions. Combination of two expressions means it can be ax plus b equals to 4x plus 3 plus y. Now see this equals to sign, and these two expressions we combined and that has become an equation. Or another I can write is 3y squared plus 7 equals to 26y squared plus x plus 8. So this is the difference between an expression and equation. Then it comes to how to solve the algebraic expressions or equations both. For this, first very basic thing you should know is like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms and unlike terms? Like terms means the terms, those who have same variable with same power. I repeat, like terms means the terms, those who consist of same variable but with same power. Power should not vary. Power means index, the number written on the head of the another number or a variable. How? I'll show you here. I'll write certain terms: 4x squared, 3y plus z, 2a plus b, 7x squared, 3a plus 2b, 4y plus 3z. Now almost I have 4 to 5 terms with me and I'm asked combine the like terms. So as I said, let's take one more 3x, let's take one more 3y squared plus z, let's take one more 2a plus b squared. So what I said like terms means the terms, those who have same variable and same power too. Power must not vary. So my dear viewers, just look here. If I go with x terms, I have how many x terms with me? 1, 2 and 3. 4x squared, 7x squared and 3x. So in amongst these 3, how many x square you have? 2. That is 4x square and 7x square. Whereas in no doubt this 3 is having its variable as x. But the power is here, no power means the power is 1. And that's why it will not be a like term. So 4x square and 7x square are the like terms. 4x square and 7x square, they are the like terms. Similarly, we'll go with y and z. How many combinations we have of y and z? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. Now this is 3y plus z and this is 4y plus 3z. Can we go with this? Yes, y is having power here as 1 and here. Now my dear children, no power for any one of them, either it's constants or variables. No number on the head. Power means the number written on the top. That is called as index or power. That comes under the lesson indices. If you find that lesson also difficult, in next video I'll be helping you for indices also. It's plural is index and plural is indices. So the number written on the head of any number, any constant or variable, that is called as a power. For today I can make you understand this. And no number written, it means that it's 1 always. No number written means it's 1 always. So this y is having no power means 1 and z also no power means 1. Here also the same. Whereas in here y is having the power as 2. So this can't be a like term of these two. So these two are the like terms. 3y plus z, comma 4y plus 3z. Now question arises, ma'am, you said same variable, or Avanta, you said same variable and same power. Yes, I had not at all spoken about the number written before the variable. So the numbers, the constants which you write always before the variable, they are known as coefficients. C-O-E-F, I spell the word here, C-O-E-F F-I-C-I-E-N-T, coefficients. Coefficients means the constants, those who are written always before the variables. They can vary. They can vary, means they can change. So it's 4 and it's 7 here. Doesn't matter. But your variable must be same alphabet with same power. So 4x square and 7x square, they are the like terms. So for like terms, what condition we should have? Coefficients, if they change, no matter, nothing to worry about it. Simply you have to think about the variable, means the alphabet should be same with same power. Then these two we have done with. So again, before recalling, I request all of you, the old viewers, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I'll be keep on uploading new videos, you will get a notification. And for the new viewers, I request humbly, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you keep on getting the notifications. Then my link is mentioned in the description box. Secondly, your comments, your suggestions, your compliments are always welcome. Please do suggest next what video you want, on which topic or which class. I'll be helping you for all three: English, mathematics and science. Now coming to this one, this is A and B. A is having your power 1 and B also. So let's check out where we get it. Here. Here again it is B square. So no. So 2A plus B, then 3A plus 2B. These are the like terms. So let's have a recap till what we have done. I have made you understand what is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means an expression which is a combination of constants, variables with operations. And I made you to understand the difference between expression and an equation. Expression is simply a statement. There is no equality. It means that no equals to sign is there. Whereas in an equation, two expressions are combined. So equals to sign is there, and that sign specifies left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Later I made you to understand what is the difference between what do we mean by constants, variables and coefficients and operations. Constants means those are simply the digits or the numbers whose value will never change. That is by default. One has to accept it. Second, about variables, I told you or I made you understand is that the value varies, keeps on changing. Those are known as variables and they can be any alphabet from A to Z, and usually we use the small letters. It's not mandatory that you should use small letters, but it's better to use. Then next, coming to the coefficients. Coefficient is a number written always before the variable. It is always a constant, and no coefficient means 1. No power means 1. Then operations means your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next, I tried to make you understand what are like terms. Like terms means the terms those who have same variables with same powers. Power should not change. Coefficient can change. And that helps this making us understand ourselves with like terms. So like terms I mentioned here, and unlike, yes, those are not like, means in that case variable can be same but power can vary. But unlike terms usually we don't need as much. Only 1 mark question is at times asked. Classify the given terms as like terms and unlike terms. So once you know like terms, remaining they all are unlike terms. So like terms usually or most probably, this concept if it is clear, then only you can help yourselves to solve addition and subtraction. In multiplication and division, even though they are not like terms, you can directly solve them. I repeat, like terms concept if it is clear, that helps you to solve addition and subtraction of either expressions or equations. For multiplication and division, it's not mandatory. So how it helps, that I'll show you. Before I start with addition and subtraction, I request all of you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Old viewers, it's a humble request repeatedly. I have more than 200 viewers, but I think they have not subscribed to my channel. I request you humbly, please subscribe my channel. And the new viewers, yes, do subscribe, do share with your elders and younger ones so that it becomes easy for you. The moment I upload a video, that notification you will get it. My link is mentioned in the description box. Your all suggestions, comments, compliments are welcome. I'll be helping you for mathematics, English and science, and maths and science for every class. I have started with 6th standard. If it's required for class 3 and 4 also, you can demand, but 6th to 12th I'll be helping you for mathematics and science and English, especially the speaking skills. So coming back to now, how these like terms, they help us to add and subtract the expressions. I'll write certain expressions here and then let's see. Suppose first one I have with me as 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. Now my dear viewers, one more thing. Whenever algebraic expressions are given to us, always try to rearrange them properly and then only solve. Now what is the rearrangement? Rearrangement means always highest degree term should be at the starting. Try to keep the variables at first and constants at last. I repeat the rearrangement process. First, always try to keep the highest degree term. The highest degree term in the sense is the term which is having the power as highest amongst the given ones should come at first. It should go in decreasing order. Constant should be at the last. Secondly, do not change the signs. And for solving this, you must know, you might have studied, you may recall these signs which you studied under integers. This one, minus becomes plus. Minus plus is minus. Plus is again minus. And plus is plus. Even BODMAS rule also you have to keep it in mind. What is BODMAS rule? BODMAS. BODMAS. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Means in an equation or an expression, if you get all the things all together, certain brackets and all 4 operations, maybe more than one operation, in that case, from where to start first? That becomes a big question mark in front of the students. So you should follow this bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And bracket also has got a hierarchy. Round bracket is the smallest bracket. Then it comes to your curly brace and then it comes to your square bracket, and the hierarchy goes likewise. If you have, I'm extremely sorry, all these 3 brackets all together, always try to open up the brackets first. So first priority goes to round bracket, then it's a curly brace and then a square bracket. So coming back to, again, before starting, I request each and every one of you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Old viewers, please subscribe my channel, and the new ones, please do both the things, like, share and subscribe. Now 4 plus 3x. So what I'll do is, first I'll rearrange it, always. So this would be 3x plus 4. And the other one, 2x square. This is minus 4x. And 5 is having no sign, means it's plus 5. And now you can add them. How? Right here, 3x plus 4 in bracket. Now you have to add. So main operation is addition. Then it comes to 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Now remove the like terms. Initially, if you are really finding difficulties, you can underline the like terms with pencil. This is x and this is x square. So do not make a mistake. They are not like terms. 3x and 4x are like terms. and these two constants you can combine together. So this remains alone. So keep this and never forget this sign. This is 2x square remains as it is. This 3x, 3 no sign means plus 3x minus 4x plus 4 plus 5. Now combine the like terms and solve. This 2x square remains as it is. 3, this is plus minus, minus. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 not required to write. And sign of greater, so minus. If a child by mistake also writes plus here, 1000% it's incorrect. Never negative value is equal to the positive one. So very much be careful while solving this. Again I repeat, this is plus, this is minus. Plus minus, it's minus. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is not required, not supposed to write or not necessary. But if you want to write, you can write also. And then think who is greater than 3 and 4. 4, so sign of the greater one. 4 plus 5, 9. Both are positive. So this becomes your plus 9. And this is your final combination, that is summation of these two expressions. The summation of these two expressions is this one. So you all might have understood, concluded that how like terms, they help us to add the expressions or equations. Similarly, one example of subtraction I'll take. I never say subtraction, my dear students, my dear viewers. It's subtraction. In subtraction, you have to keep it in mind. If it's a direct statement given that this is an expression and this is an expression and minus sign, no matter. But if it is written, subtract this expression or equation from the other, then how to arrange it. So this from word matters a lot. How? I'll show you. I'll take another example. Subtract 5y square plus y plus 2 from 8y square minus y minus 8. Now, how to arrange when it is subtraction? This from word. This from word differentiates or bifurcates the two expressions. So the expression, always keep it in mind in case of any subtraction, maybe expression, equation, your regular quantities, your word problems. The quantity which has come after the word from, quantity which has come after the word from should come very first. I repeat, quantity which has come after the word from should come very first, then subtraction sign, and then the first quantity later. And that's why children find it little difficult in case of subtraction. And especially when it comes to word problems, the big question mark is how to frame an equation. So how to frame an equation, that I'll be conducting in next video, because there are certain keywords which you should keep it in mind while reading, and that helps you to frame an equation or an expression. So as I said, after the word from, whatever quantity you have, that should be written very first. So that is, it's already in descending order, decreasing order. So directly you can write 8y square minus y minus 8 minus this one. And my dear viewers, whenever it's subtraction, the value of, that is the signs of the terms written in the bracket, it changes. I repeat, whenever it's subtraction, the signs of next terms, they keep on changing. So the next step would be 8y square minus y minus 8 as it is, and now keep on changing this. You have to open the bracket. So while opening the bracket, the signs will change. If it's plus, it becomes minus. If it's minus, it becomes plus. So this minus plus minus. Sorry. Oh yeah, it's correct. Minus plus again minus. Minus plus again minus. And now combine the like terms. Which are the like terms? Y square, y, and then a constant. So now rewrite this. 8y square minus 5y square minus y, minus 8, minus 2. And now, plus minus, minus 8 minus 5, it is 3y square. Minus minus plus. No coefficient means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. But both are equal and both are having negative sign. So negative sign here, 2y. Minus minus plus. 8 plus 2, 10. And sign of greater number. So subtraction of, or after subtracting this expression from this, your answer is, or your required expression is 3y square minus 2y minus 10. Hope I tried to make it very much helpful how like terms help you for addition and subtraction. For subtraction and addition, I'll repeat it once again. What you have to do is whenever expressions are given in both the cases, first always, either it's an expression or an equation, always arrange the given expressions or equations in descending order of their powers. Next step would be combine the like terms and then solve accordingly. While combining and while solving, be careful for their signs. That is minus plus. Next, coming to subtraction, when it is subtraction not mentioned clearly, when the word from is given, subtract this expression from this. Always write the next quantity after the word from first, then subtraction sign, and then the first quantity later. And here our quantities are what? Expressions. So after the word from, which expression I have? This one, 8y square minus y minus 8. That's why I wrote it very first. Then as I want to subtract, I wrote minus. And then this first expression I have written. Now very much second important step for subtraction is always keep the first expression or an equation as it is. Then open the bracket for the second one and ultimately the signs will change. If in case you forget to change the signs, your answer, your complete sum will go wrong. So always keep it in mind for subtraction. Open the bracket and change the signs. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Then combine the like terms and solve. So this is what I have made it. So today I made you to understand about algebraic expressions, what that term means, what it comprises of, constants, variables, coefficients, operations, and like terms. How like terms they help you for addition and subtraction. Now in next video I'll be making you understand multiplication and division of expressions. Similarly, how to frame an expression or an equation when the statements are given, and later how to solve them. Hope it make you very careful. So before stopping myself, I request to all of you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. All the viewers, again a humble request, please do subscribe so that my uploading, the new video which I'll be uploading, you'll get a notification. And for new viewers, please do subscribe, like and share my channel. If you have other people at your house, the younger ones of class 7, it may help them. Each and every class I'll be explaining with, I repeat, my maybe a short intro type. I'll be helping you for mathematics, science and English. Mathematics for class 6 to 12 and science also, and English for communication. So please do subscribe, like and share my channel. All the viewers, once again, please subscribe my channel. New viewers also do the same. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night. Sweet dreams.